Kids, let's learn about birds today. Let's start with pigeon. This is pigeon. Peacock, crow, sparrow, duck, hen, penguin, hawk, eagle, parrot, kingfisher, kiwi, bulbul, starling, swan, cuckoo, manna, owl, vulture, hummingbird, ostrich, hoopoe.